the #1 newscast at 6. KEYT News Channel 3, where the news comes first.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Beth Farnsworth.
And I'm CJ Ward. We begin at 6 o'clock with a possible change of venue in the criminal case against Plains All-American Pipeline Company.
A not guilty plea was entered in court today in connection with last year's big oil spill off the Santa Barbara County coast. News Channel 3 senior reporter John Palmentary is live. And John, there was also a request to move the trial out of the area.
And we're here at the Santa Barbara County Courthouse, and there was a request for a change of venue so that this case would not be heard in Santa Barbara County where the offense that is alleged occurred. They also want some key documents in this case to be sealed until the trial. Plains All-American Pipeline and one employee accused in a 46-count indictment linked to the massive 2015 Refugio oil spill have entered a plea of not guilty in Santa Barbara Superior Court. Camera access was denied for the hearing. A prosecutor with the district attorney's office told us after the hearing the court calendar has the next date as September 8th for a request from the defense to move this case out of the area.
The judge is certainly concerned with the time frame and that the case keeps moving, and that's what we'd like to see as well. There's a lot of discovery that we need to get accomplished. There's a lot of motions that are going to be filed, but we're glad to see the case moving forward.
The Refugio disaster released an estimated 120,000 gallons of oil into the soil and ocean environment on May 19th of last year. Impacts were detected miles away from the broken pipeline. A criminal grand jury transcript with 2,000 pages of detailed information on this case from witnesses remains sealed to the public or press review. An attorney representing landowners and businesses impacted by the crisis argued to have access to that information.
We believe, as attorneys for these victims, we want to hear what these people had to say in front of the grand jury, because that was under oath.
The court also said it did not want excessive pretrial publicity or the release of the entire transcript at this time, something Capello said could be handled differently.
These judges spend a huge amount of time asking jurors questions. Did you see any publicity? Did you read any newspaper articles? Did you see KEYT? No, I didn't. So you know nothing about this case? That's correct. Okay, you're going to be a juror. And if there's a juror that says they've seen the publicity, they excuse them.
And Barry Cabello also told me that he might be filing an appeal on this as well. He's going to take a look at the judge's ruling today. The ruling was said to be tentative, so we'll see what the final ruling actually reads. Plains has said in a statement the incident was unfortunate, an unfortunate accident, and should not be criminalized. Reporting live outside of the Santa Barbara Superior Courthouse, I'm John Palmentary, News Channel 3.
Okay, thank you, John. The owner of a tow truck company will be arraigned next month for a hit-and-run crash that killed a teen riding a bicycle. The Ventura County Star reports a judge found enough evidence to charge Herman Henderson for the death of Jonathan Hernandez. Now, Henderson is also accused of concealing